I just went up to the dealership where I dropped off my Suzuki M50 to have the fork seals done and a clutch plate assembly installed. I have my old motorcycle in for repair. It needs fork seals, dust seals, and I asked them to put a clutch kit in the bike since they already had it. I was going to do the clutch kit myself, but since they already had the bike, I told them to go ahead and do that. But now it's been 3 weeks since they had the bike. They had trouble getting the parts, and between that and them being so busy because it's the beginning of the riding season, the bike still isn't ready. He told me that the bike is on the schedule for tomorrow. It was on the schedule for today as well, and yesterday, and they still couldn't get to it. So the bike is supposed to be for my daughter, Kat, and she's been chomping at the bit to get the bike. She's going to be upset when I tell her, but I mean, what are you going to do? There's only, well, I'm sure they will try to give me a discount on the cost because it should have been done 2 weeks ago, honestly. But anyway, that is the update on that. It's been 3 weeks since I dropped the bike off, but I kind of knew that it was going to be difficult for them to get the bike into the scheduled rotation because it is the beginning of riding season, and I would estimate that they probably have 200 motorcycles sitting in their back pen. My daughter's going to be a little bit upset when I tell her that, again, the bike is not ready, but they are still going to try and have it done by tomorrow or Saturday. So all is not lost yet, but she may have to wait another week. I showed up here at the wrong time. This is rush hour traffic in Goose Creek, South Carolina. At least it's not on the freeway though. This backup is only because of one red light where people can get on the main road, Highway 52. Most of them to travel north. Where I live in St. Stephen, Moncks Corner is also that way. A few other towns that I've forgotten the name of, Bono, King Street, which is probably the farthest out. Probably noticed that my hands are bare. I don't have my gloves on. My arms are bare. I didn't put on my riding jacket. Truth be told, I did get a little bit upset when I called the repair shop and the bike wasn't ready. And then we got disconnected, and I don't know if the guy hung up on me or we just got disconnected or whatever. Anyway, I got a little peeved and I just jumped on the bike without thinking about gloves or anything. I barely grabbed this helmet, but I was headed out the door with the helmet anyway to try and see how this new camera fit on the helmet, and to try and see what kind of view I was going to have over this ferry. So that's why I don't have on all of the safety gear that I normally wear. I don't know if we're going to get through this light or not. I hope so. If not, we will have to wait another cycle.